Hi, my name is David, and I spend most of my time figuring out how to get into places I'm not supposed to be. But I also walk this guy. And for some reason, on this walk, I decided that he needed a professional conference badge. So the first thing I looked into was badge printers. Like the actual PVC card printers that print directly onto plastic, edge to edge, they look legit.
But apparently, that's going to cost me $800 or more. But I'm going to take a different approach.
Okay, so I should probably explain. I work in red teaming, so physical security. So, like access badges, ID cards, RFID, access controls, I'm around this stuff all the time. So, the fact that I'm now using those skills to make a badge for my dog is, this is where we're at. But honestly, in red teaming, you never go with the expensive option if you don't have to. You always find a workaround. So $800? Hell no. We're doing this the cheap way. I just want to be able to type in a name and have a badge come out. Is that really too much to ask for? Apparently yes, because nothing like that really existed. So I built one. I made a badge designer and put it on my website, redteam VIP, under resources. Because, that's a normal thing to do on a Tuesday. You put in a name, a title, drop in a photo, and it gives you a badge at the right size. That's it. Done. It handles all the dimensions so you don't end up with a badge the size of a postcard or whatever. Photo of the dog, name, title, all filled in. This is the most important thing I've ever made. Alright, let me show you the tool. Red Team VIP. Under Resources, click on Badge Designer. So this is a tool. Name, title, organization, photo. You fill it in and it puts a badge together for you. Pretty easy. When it looks good, you just print it. That's the whole thing on the software side. Okay, first print. And that, it already looks like a badge. So just for reference, this is a real PVC card next to it. Pretty much the same size. Now this is a move. Clear sticker paper right on top. Peel it, line it up, press it down, and just like that, it's got that glossy laminated feel. Round off the corners, and now it feels like a card. Wait, that actually looks really good. Last thing, holo sticker. Most real badges have something holographic on them, so we're adding one. And there it is. Badge holder, lanyard, and yeah, that looks like something you'd get at chicken. So yeah, that's pretty much the cheapest way I found to be able to print a badge without having to buy a badge printer. So let me know in the comments what do you think of the end result and of ways of how this can be improved. And I do apologize ahead of time if there are any glitches or bugs in the interface. I'm still working on it, so it's a work in progress. And other than that, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.